Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're just going to be analyzing two pairs, which is USDCAD and GBPUSD. So as we start with USDCAD, as I told you that you look for your major support and resistance zones on your daily time frame. And how do you identify them? You check where the market bounces off the most and makes reversals. So as we can see guys, from USDCAD we can identify one specific zone right here. We're gonna put our rectangle. As you can see, this zone right here guys, if you go to the past, you see that the market bounced at this zone, it shot up, and then as soon as it came back to this point, it has been playing around this point. As soon as it's above this point, it keeps bouncing up, but as soon as it breaks below this point, it shoots down. So we can use this as our significant mid-range zone on our daily time frame, but we're not gonna need this for now. We're just going to dive deeper because the market has been moving impulsively to the downside and there's no clear support and resistance zone. So we can switch to our H4 time frame. Now in our H4 time frame, we zoom in and check what's going on and what trend are we in. As you can see over here, we are in an uptrend in our H4 time frame. We are in an uptrend right here. So now we've identified our trend in our H4 time frame. We can also identify minor support and resistance zones in our H4 time frame just to see where the market reverses a lot in that time frame. So if we draw our horizontal line right here guys, we can see that at this point the market touched this point, it shot down, and as soon as it broke above this point and retested, it shot up, and as soon as it came below, it has been playing below and failing to break above this zone right here. So now we've identified that, we can zoom in even closer and check what pattern we have right here. So guys, as you can see, we have a correction move to the downside, but we can also see that there's a pattern that's forming here, which is a bearish flag. And we know that bearish flags are continuation patterns, meaning if there's an impulse move to the downside, and our correction will be in the form of a flag. So what are we anticipating now? We're anticipating an impulse move to the downside, because a bearish flag is a continuation flag. So if you want to check closely, you can switch to your H1 time frame, and if we draw a trend line at this point, we can see that the market has broken out, and we are currently in a zone of a retest, where our overall mid-range zone is at 1.25181, meaning that since we have a breakout and retest, we can look to enter sales immediately, because we have 2 to 3 confirmations. We have a bearish flag forming right here. We have an impulse move to the downside, correction as a bearish flag, and we have a breakout on our overall bearish flag. And our second confirmation is we have a trend line support right here, and we have a clear breakout and a retest. So we're looking for selling opportunities. Our third confirmation is that this pattern right here, our uptrend right here, it's an ascending channel. Ascending channels are reversal patterns, meaning if we have an ascending channel, we're looking for reversals to the downside, and you have a descending channel, we're looking for reversals to the upside. So that's that's USD-CAD. Now, in order to know what's happening on GBPUSD, if we can confirm that GBPUSD is indeed a buy, then it's another confirmation that USD-CAD will sell, because USD-CAD and GBPUSD have a negative correlation. If one buys, the other one sells. So now let's switch to GBPUSD. Now with GBPUSD, do the same thing. Start on a daily time frame, identify your zones. As you can see right here, As you can see right here, we can identify this as our what? As our resistance, because market has been failing to break above 1.42385. So we see that market came at this point, shot down, it came to the same point, created a double top, and it shot down again. So now we identify what our support. As we can see right here over here, guys, we see that the market has been bouncing off this support. It made a double bottom, bounced off, and as you can see right here, it made a fake out and it bounced off and continued buying. So we've identified our two zones, and we can see that the market is currently consolidating. We can switch to our H4 time frame now to see what's going on. Now if we switch down to your H4 time frame, we can see that if we draw our trend line right here, we can see that right here we had a market structure which is called a descending channel. See, we have a descending channel, meaning what? After this breakout of the descending channel, we're looking forward for buying opportunities to the upside, because as I said, descending channels signal a reversal to the upside, and ascending channels signal a reversal to the downside. So as we can see right here, we have a descending channel, meaning what? We're looking for buying opportunities right here. So another confirmation is, if you can look closely, we have a bullish flag forming on GBPUSD, meaning we have an impulse move to the upside and a correction in a form of a flag, meaning that as it is a bullish flag, we're looking for a continuation to the upside. So now with GBPUSD, we already have another three confirmation. We have a descending channel, meaning that it's signaling a reversal to the what? To the upside. Our second confirmation is we have a bullish flag, meaning that it's a continuation pattern and we're looking for buying opportunities to the upside. And the third confirmation is on USDCAD, we saw selling opportunities, and we know that if USDCAD sells, GBPUSD will buy. So that's our third confirmation, meaning that at market open, we can enter buys on GBPUSD or sells on USDCAD. But if you want to be safe, you can wait for the market to come above this trend line support, this trend line resistance, and enter your buy trades after it has broken out and fully retested. So those are the pairs that we're going to be focusing on in the VIP group, and plenty more, but these are the only two pairs that we're going to be sending out to the free signals group. And yes, that's it for today. If you want free signals, I'll drop the links in the description box for our Telegram and WhatsApp free signals group, and you can click those and join. If you want to contact the NFX admins, I will drop the links to the admins contact details in the description box, and you can ask them anything with regards to mentorship and VIP signals. And if you want me to do any more videos, please drop a comment below and suggest any videos I should do, and I'll start doing them as I'm preparing to be consistent on the YouTube channel. So that's it from me, guys. Please do subscribe and leave a like for the video, and yes, we'll talk to you guys again soon next week. Bye. So this is the past week's signals. We sent a signal to JPY, TP got hit and they closed profits. We sent a Euro JPY signal, TP got hit, and USDCAD unfortunately took us out because of fundamentals, but we bounced back with Nasdaq, guys, and GBPAUD. As you can see, everything was killed. If you want VIP signals, contact the number in the description box, and if you want free signals, contact join the links that are in the description box to our Telegram and WhatsApp free groups.